Let me see.
Baby girl, won't you let a nigga slide in them goods? My little man wanna hide in them goods. I'ma take my time with them goods.
Traditional, but your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in, you knew we couldn't fall back? What you think you know? There are times when I find.
Hey my honey buns, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am ChanellXO and welcome to the sweet life of leveling up your life, your health care, your beauty, fashion, style, and everything worthwhile, child. Alright, so y'all, in this video, I'm basically going to be showing y'all these Amazon boho goddess locks, crochet boho locks that I got from Amazon. I got 8 packs for a total of like $24 or something like that. I'll try to link it in my description if I remember, which I'm sure I will, because I know some of y'all gonna be wondering where I got these beautiful, beautiful boho goddess locks from. So I'm not gonna be doing too much talking, pretty much just gonna be walking y'all through how I am prepping my hair for it, because me and my sister tag team my hair. And yeah, y'all, it's gonna be a part of the video where I discuss, like running it back for old time's sake, because my very, very, very first YouTube video was my sister doing my hair. And so I was like, you know what? Let's run it back again, okay? And then right here, you can see where I cut my hair from a long time, probably about 2 months ago, y'all. I was taking down the other crochets that I had in my head. If y'all remember my black curly crochet that I had in my head, I was taking those down and I cut a braid, y'all. I cut the end of my freaking braid, and you can tell. But anyway, here is the pack. And I'm pretty much going to be taking all of them out just to make sure that it's 8 packs in there. And it came with a crochet needle. I think that was all that it came with. But yeah, 30 inches, y'all. Supposed to be a color number, I think it was like T430 or something like that. I don't know, y'all. I don't remember. The hair is more brown than like a number 30. And like right here, y'all, I'm scratching the mess of my scalp. Like I can't stand no dry scalp. And if I see it white or whatever, it's gonna bother me. Like, it's just gonna bother me. Like I said, and it comes and go. And I'm gonna go in on my bag balm, my skin moisturizer, and I'm just gonna, oil it up or whatever. Because, baby, we're not gonna walk around here with no dry scalp, okay? And I'm trying to see if it's something else I want to say. Nope, I think I'm going to end it here and let y'all enjoy the show. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all. Say, see you later, man.
You leave a Wednesday? Yeah. Where my damn phone?
Leave my damn thumb alone. I don't know where your phone's from. Have a baby by me, baby, be a millionaire.
She got a piece of hair on the floor.
Yeah, what's wrong, baby?
Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should have figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Swear
We running all the way back.
Something like that. I'm gonna talk to you later.
Y'all remember my very first YouTube video was my sister doing my hair.
There you go.
And now what? 11 years later. Wait,
Took what 2 kids to do to you. Don't do it.
10 years later, we finna run it back. And we finna do these crochets. These are the Amazon Prime crochets. And we doing this crochet method right here, where it gonna look like individuals. So yeah. Y'all stay tuned. Oh, and my baby girl over here doing her brother hair, taking down her brother hair.
It was a
Right. I thought she was finna give a whole speech.
well, hey, my name is Ariel.
Right.
To be cooking in there for you.
But yeah, y'all stay tuned.
Yeah.
5 years of dating, tired of being patient. What the fuck you waiting for? Yeah, it's a lot of niggas hate, and I don't entertain them. But damn, you gotta give me more. If you don't want it like me, I can think about 100 things I could be doing right now. No wasting my time with you. Okay, okay, since you gotta have it your way. I'ma start that clock on you. We gon' see what's up when a nigga pull up on me. Tell a nigga back, back. Don't you know all of these niggas wish these niggas back? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind up. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. Shut that, shut that, Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, it's stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me?
Finish with the final product.
Taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay
30 inches, y'all.
wonder who you might be
30
playing
inches.
with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Sweat change, but I noticed the end.